Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about auxiliary boiler furnace cleaning. So things to need to do before I have mentioned in that word file. You can see that. So that you need to first depressurize the boiler and you need to open the furnace cover and need to ventilate and the other side also the door need to be open for the tube cleaning on both sides. So once you open the boiler and open this drain valve, so that the water will be gone to the soot collecting tank normally, or whichever tank as per your ship, or you need to arrange the Weldon pump to remove the water which has been collected on that during furnace cleaning. So once ventilation is finished, you can enter inside with a gas detector where the O2 is there sufficient. So once you enter inside, you inspect the refractory condition, check for any tube leaks, and check for the swirler plate condition. For any carbon deposit, if it is there, you need to clean swirler plate. And with a hydroblaster with pressure sufficient, you can able to clean these tubes with the high pressure jet. So once the carbon deposit has been cleaned, if you need to do any patchwork for refractory, you can able to do that also, and just inspect that the tube is good in condition. Okay, thank you guys. We'll see you in next video.